Welcome to Clip Capone and Ammo. Today we're going to be busting the KSG. I had a dream that they called me KSG Capone.
Really?
So today I'm going to be KSG Capone. Let's go ahead and see what's going on up in here. Let's go. Kel Tec. Brand new. Alright, what we got right now, we got the mini cells. You know what I'm saying? We got those filled up on the left side, the left tube. I'll show you how that works probably another time, another video. Yeah. On the right side too, we got these. 12 gauge, you know, so deer slugs, all that. So we just gonna get to it. I know the plan. I hate it to take all day to get to the point. Let's go.
Come on, baby. Go ahead, show them how it's done.
So right now we're switching over to the mini shot. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of them. I ain't even count. Sorry about that.
Yeah, I see it.
We need some more of this. God damn.
That was nice.
We're gonna bring these in. Let's see what the fuck is going on. This shit's crazy. I would have thought the big ones. God damn. Shit. Yeah, okay, now check this out. I know y'all wanna see how everything works. I'm gonna have to get a whole new box of these. Oh shit. Alright, check this out. So we got two tools right here. Well gauge. I'm gonna show you how we load up on these. Tool right here. Make sure it's on safety. Safety first.
You know it.
All the time. God damn, I love this shit. Alright. So once again, we're gonna load these up just like this. I'm gonna let my girl shoot these because I don't know, man. Baby, I don't know if you're gonna want to shoot these little ones.
Oh, please.
Huh?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh shit. Alright, let's go there. Fuck it. Oh, let's get this on. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, hey. My girl said, fuck it. Who am I to tell her no? God damn it, what's up? Let's get it. So, usually you can put, this is 14 plus 1. So that means I got, let me show. 14 plus 1. Alright. So that's one right there. So that's 7 in there already. I just put one in the chamber. So now I can put another one in there. Alright?
I'm gonna shoot it.
Shoot these a little bit, then I'll put the other ones in there. What's up, baby? Introduce yourself.
I am his girlfriend.
Not y'all girlfriend, but my girlfriend. You been cheating on me already, girl.
Cheating
What
on
kind of
me.
shit is that? You can just shoot it as long as it's off.
Hey,
You can't?
why did you put on safety, didn't
Huh?
you? You put on safety.
No, it's not on safety. It's on fire. It's already. It should be already cocked. It's cocked, baby. Oh,
Goddamn.
hold on for dear life, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Okay. Okay. Ooh, yeah, my ass. Yeah. Yeah, I see that. Ah.
Damn.
Woo.
You know what? That thing's a shit right there.
Oh, baby. Baby, you don't want none of the little cells. They bigger.
I'm okay.
The little cells bang harder. You know what I'm saying?
Damn.
Watch this.
I felt that in my shoulder.
Baby, you don't want none of these little problems.
No, I'm okay with that one.
No, the little ones. Watch this. I'm gonna go ahead and little cells. Right? Oh my God. These little cells are something else. People told me this every week, and then the little cells is real interesting. I ain't know what they meant.
Yeah,
I ain't know what they meant.
I know now.
If you gonna make me be like, oh, God damn it, shit, I'm gonna get that right now. That motherfucker's going home back. Check this out. Load these boys up, man. It's a good gun, man, to have at your house. Just load it to the brim. The Benjamins. Any robbers outside, please send them in.
Really?
They gonna regret that. Change your life. If I was a robber, I wouldn't be a robber ever again. Let me out the house, please. Just don't shoot my ass, you know? Man, okay, so what we got right now is the little round. We got the little round. Let's see. Alright, little rounds, baby.
Little
You
one.
want to try a little round?
I'll do it.
Oh, Lord Jesus, come. Come on. Come on. Try that little one. My girl is trying the little one. Lady Boss. Lady Boss. Show the KSG who bounced. Bounce. Baby, be careful. Hold on for dear life. Hold on. All right. You want another one? Oh, man. Lady Boss put the KSG down. Okay, we're going to just... All right, baby, look. I love this. I had dreams about this. I am KSG Capone.
Really?
I am.
KSG, come on. Really? Don't look at me like that. What's all this extra shit? Come on now. Are you ain't serious?
Gunpowder at its finest.
Yep.
God damn.
Ah, that's a smaller one. Killing it, baby.
Okay. I really got another. Yeah. Okay. Cut. We out. You know what I'm saying? I say go get it. Go buy it. Oh man. You ain't gonna regret it.